major instead of A minor. E minor? I just made a song. C major. So that's what this plugin does to me. Like, that song wasn't there 10 seconds ago. I just love this sound. Okay, let's hear it completely maxed out. Ooh. Imagine with like a triple beat to that. So what are these boxes here? This is the size of the room. To the right of it, we have the room level as a room. So this is what we're tied with it. And I love the sound of this